Hi friends, in today's video I will show you how to calculate the sum of all 1 to 100 numbers without using loop and using the Stream API. So here I have already opened the IntelliJ, and IntelliJ there is a project I have already created which name is Java programs. In the Java programs, I have already created a package com.stream. In the stream, I am going to create a Java class int stream sum. Now here I am going to define main main method. Here I am right now I am going to add add the numbers from 1 to 0 to 9. So here I am defining int stream dot sorry int stream dot range. In the range we need to find initial and last. So if I entering 0 to 10, then it will goes 0 to 9 for the business logic calculation. So here I am defining sum. So by using sum method, it will add here 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. Now it will give the output like 1 2 equal to 3 3 3 plus 3 6 6 plus 4 10 10 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 15 plus 6 21 21 plus 7 28 28 plus 28 plus 8 34 34 plus 9 49 50 43. So here I am going to store some. Now printing this one some. Now running this one. Now it will give the output 45. For checking purpose, you can change this one as a 5. Then it will give the output as a 4 3 7 3 10. It will give the 10 output. Yeah, now you can see here 10. So by using stream int stream, you can add the numbers from 0 to 10 or 0 to 100 anything. Or if you want to adding the numbers from 5th or 10th to 15, then you can define 10th here and range you will increase 50. So it will give the output from 10 plus 11 plus 20 plus 30 plus 12. Then it will give the output 3 plus 4 7 7 plus 10 10 1 1 plus 2 plus 3 3 plus 4 plus 5 6. It will give the output as a 60. So I'm running this program. Yeah, now you can see here 60 will appear. So by using int stream and providing the range, you can add any any numbers from the given range. So thank you for watching my video. I will I will meet you in the next upcoming videos. Thank you. If you like my channel, you can subscribe my channel.